financial analysis, petrol versus CNG gas-powered vehicles, unveiling the savings. A financial analysis of petrol versus CNG gas using my Toyota Prado as a case study. Let's do the math. Prior to the conversion of my car to use CNG, my weekly petrol expenses was 60,000 naira. After conversion, my weekly CNG gas expenses came down to 12,000 naira. To know my monthly savings, the calculation is simple. Petrol expenses minus CNG gas expenses. With this calculation, I save 240,000 naira minus 48,000 naira every month. This means I save 192,000 naira per month. Now, let's do a payback period calculation. The formula is initial cost of conversion divided by monthly savings. I paid 850,000 naira in January 2024 to a Smart Energy Solutions CNG Workshop in Lokogoma, Abuja, to have my car converted to CNG. Therefore, based on the payback period calculation earlier stated, the payback period is 850,000 naira divided by 192,000 naira per month. Is approximately 4.43 months. Now, late June 2024, I have already recouped my acquisition cost and I'm still saving 192,000 every month and will continue to save every month. Conclusion: immediate and significant cost savings comes with investing in CNG. Note, CNG is not an expense, it is an investment. With CNG, there is a compelling return on investment in a relatively short period. It's a testament to the economic prudence and environmental stewardship that CNG embodies. So, what are you waiting for? Call Smart Energy CNG Workshop on 080-9888-7837 now.
Refer to Smart Energy Solutions for more information. Contact us by phone 0809 8887 or 0802 769 8797 or 081 516 58316 by email info@smartenergyng.com.